Hi viewers, I'm going to share with you my favorite pizza recipe made at home. It's very easy to cook and you don't need much ingredients. So what I'm going to use is I'm using mozzarella cheese from Morrison's. I've ordered these 2 packs, 250 gram mature cheese. We need yogurt, we need garlic. I'm using garlic cubes rather than crushed garlic. Paprika, and we need chili garlic sauce. I'm going to use tomato pasta for the sauce, and olive oil, parsley, oregano, and most importantly, rising flour. Okay, so first I put over here 3 cups of rising flour. So I'm using this cup, which is 250 ml, so it's 750 because I want a bigger pizza. That's why I'm going to use 3 cups. So if you want to make smaller pizza, then you can choose, you can have 1 cup or 2 cups. So the second ingredient I'm going to use is the yogurt. That's it. We need rising flour and the yogurt. So I'm using this yogurt because I like the taste as well. So let me open it. It's opened from here. Okay. So I'm going to use a spoon to take the yogurt out. So it's up to you how much you want to use it. So, this is 1 spoon, 2 heap spoon, 3, 4. So I'm going to use my hands. So I'm just going to wash my hands now. Okay. I need more yogurt. So we're just only using 2 ingredients. So my pizza dough is ready. I'm leaving it and now moving towards the sauce. I'm taking this sauce, which is it's actually 500 grams. So first I'm putting some oil. I don't like too much oil. So I took 1 teaspoon oregano, 1 teaspoon oregano, 1 teaspoon dried parsley, half teaspoon paprika. So these are the ones I'm going to decorate with. So I took 1 onion, so half I'm going to use it in pizza sauce and half for pizza decoration. And this is the 1 cube I'm taking. So I'm going to put now onions. Now the garlic, cube. Cook it for 5 minutes. Now we are putting all the ingredients in. Chili garlic sauce. I think 2 teaspoons. And mix it well. I'm leaving it to cook. So now my base is ready, and so is my sauce. I'm going to use it. It's up to you how saucy you want your pizza. So I'm not using all of it. I'm leaving this much. So now I'm going to take the cheese, sprinkle my cheddar cheese. These are my vegetables. Some tomatoes. I'm using kebabs. So it's ready for the mozzarella cheese. So it's ready now to go into oven.